What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Finally got some good weather, man, in Philadelphia. Even though it's a little too hot and I'm over here sweating, but hey, we got a little install today. I've been wanting to do this for like a long time, and I lost the link to it, but I finally found it back, and I finally decided to order it. As y'all read from the thumbnail, I mean, not the thumbnail, right? Not the thumbnail, the damn description, whatever, the title of the video. We're gonna be installing something illegal. I don't know how illegal it's gonna be, but hey, it's only illegal if you get caught, right? So we're gonna be, hold on, let me put the camera down a little bit, and I just dropped my phone. Yeah, it should off. All right, so we're gonna be installing a intercom on the car. So we got the siren. I haven't even opened it yet, so I don't even know what came in this package or not. We gotta figure out where the heck I'm gonna put this on the front of the car. So I'm gonna take the bumper off real quick and figure that out where we're gonna put it. But then I gotta do a whole bunch of little wiring and stuff like that. It's gonna be good for like when I pull up somewhere, there's people like, yo, get out the way. So come with the radio, the mic, and it comes with a siren. I haven't heard the siren yet, so I'm gonna see exactly how illegal this is gonna be. But this is what it's called. See the name right there. It says horn, siren. I don't know what these switches do. To traffic. So let's go to the car, air it up, take the bumper off. First, I want to figure out exactly where I'm gonna put that horn at, and then I'm gonna test it. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put anything to this. I'm thinking about putting this in the glove compartment, so that way it's out of the way, and if I was to get pulled over, they won't see it, because I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure how illegal this is. So let's go to the car and air it up and take that bumper off before I do anything. And then I want to actually test it, see how loud it is. How loud it is. So give me a second. Man, I really want to give a shout out to Snoopy Wraps and Lux for helping me get this joint together. This joint's finally all one color. This shit looks so good. I mean, it's dirty as hell right now, but this shit looks so damn good. But let me take that bumper off, take everything apart, and see where we're gonna place that damn horn in. One second. I gotta put a new one on here, because when last show we went to, I got two things that came off. The thing came off the car. Well, it didn't come off the car, it started hanging, so I had to put one of those little zip ties on it. And my GMR center caps. So, and I can't get another one because I don't know what's going on the website. They're sold out. But anyways, we got the whole front end of the car with the bumper off. Trying to figure out where I can place that horn. I'm thinking, then honey, where do you think I can put the horn? You heard? Where do you think I can put the horn? Then where can I put this? Because the front, to be honest, behind the bumper, there's no space at all. Let me figure out a place, a location for it, and I'll get back with y'all. Alright, so I kind of have an idea of where to put it at. I was thinking behind the bash bar, but it's not really gonna be convenient there. So I was thinking about here, right in front. It's kind of hidden, so I can just put it 2 tappers back there. Don't worry about that, because remember this guy got hit on the side. So I was thinking if I move it over, I can hammer this up a little bit and give enough space. I could put a screw there and a screw on the other side, and then I could just zip tie it from the top, so just in case the screws fail, the zip ties could hold it. So let me hammer this up a little bit and get 2 screws on it, and then we're gonna do the wiring. Really, nigga? This man just pulled up and almost blew my ear off with that damn train horn. Like,
my bag was like, yeah, don't do that.
Alright, so we mounted it up. I put some zip ties real quick just in case these self-tappers mess up, but it's pretty firm on there. So now I'm about to grab the what's called it? The actual, whatever you call it, and test the wires and see exactly how loud this joint is. But the placement's good. Now I'm about to run the wires and test it and see what type of sirens it has, because on the ad it says something about sirens, but I'm not exactly sure what type of siren this has. So let me run the wires real quick and see what this sounds like. Alright, since Edgar pulled up and he's better with wiring, he's gonna help me exactly know how to run this stuff into the car and test it. So I got a little thingy for it too, to put the
there's a fuse in here.
That's not a fuse?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
So that goes in here.
Oh, as a matter of fact, since you're here too, we're gonna try to figure out why my puddle light's not working. Last time it was a fuse that was messed up, so I'm hoping it's a fuse. I went and bought a pack of fuses, so I'm really hoping that we can fix that. But for the meantime, let's try to figure out how to run this. Don't come with instructions?
Yeah, I do. We got green. We got 2 green.
Well, I think it's easy then. It's plug and play. Porque you got battery, neutral and positive.
Yeah. It's also right here. Alright, so technically what they're saying is figure it out.
Because they ain't saying too much, right?
Yeah. Alright, so the greens are the speaker.
There's only one speaker though, just that one over there.
Yeah. So it's a green, and I'm guessing it's green and black?
Well, over here it's just a white and black wire.
Wait. Here, white. So what is this?
Black connected.
What is this? What this resembles?
I'm guessing this is the lights.
Sirens? Oh, you got lights?
No, it don't got lights. So it's battery, those are warning lights. I don't have warning lights. I just have the siren. Oh, see, that's for a 2-speaker. I only got 1 speaker.
Oh, okay. So right here. So the speaker.
Ordered 2.
Okay.
All right, y'all already know what's on my next bucket list. I gotta go order another siren so I can put it on the other side of the car.
Warning light.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So we only using green. I'm guessing.
You just green because I don't got sirens or nothing. I mean, I don't got the. I only got the horn. I don't have lights or nothing.
Yeah. So green and black. One of the.
Which will, in my thingy, would just be cut white and black. Splicers?
Yeah.
No, I got a needle. I mean a blade. It works the same way. Then I got the heat shrink too. Where's the blade from yesterday? Blade. Alright, let me get this situated and I'll get back with y'all guys real quick. So I don't gotta keep holding y'all and recording absolutely nothing. Alright, so we're just testing this. So we just got power to it. Alright, so I heard the speaker, so pretty much got power. Let's see how it hears.
Pull over now.
Yeah, this. Oh, and when we said this joint has a siren, we didn't expect this type of sirens. Yeah, this is bad. We're gonna get pulled the fuck over. But wait, hold. What's these things? So what's this?
It's different ones.
Yeah, I'm gonna get pulled the fuck over with this. Especially if y'all know, because the lights that I have in this car,
You got different ones.
we got different type of horns.
Yeah.
Oh shit, so what's the other ones? Yeah, I'm gonna get pulled the fuck over for sure. Now we gotta figure out exactly where we're gonna put this joint in the car. And I might fuck around, go to
the light is yellow, stop.
I'm gonna fuck around and freaky go to the meet with the cop lights and the siren. It's gonna be a good one. So let me let's finish wiring everything up and find a placement for the radio in the car, and then I'm gonna show y'all how everything's gonna look with the lights.
I don't know why he's doing all that work.
Yo. Yo. Woo. Woo. Move, idiot. Booty patrol coming through. The booty patrol coming through. Move it. Move it. Woo. Woo. Woo.
I know I had mentioned earlier that I was gonna put it in the glove compartment, but then I was talking, like I had told me, like, bro, but it's gonna be a lot of reaching and stuff. So to make it easier for me, I decided I'm gonna just put it right here on next to the seat, and I just control everything from here, and then I just got the little walkie in the bottom, so that way I don't gotta be reaching too much over there and stuff. And I doubt the cop's really gonna be wondering about what that is. But right now we're throwing the wire and making it a little bit longer so it can reach to the battery right now. So we're gonna end up heat shrinking, using heat shrink so we could don't run into this problem. No, cause I gotta end up switching all these another day. I don't feel like doing that right now. Guys, run the wire, get everything connected. Once everything's connected, I'm gonna update y'all with the lights and the siren. I can't stop playing with this y'all now. So we mounted it up there, we ran all the wires. Hit me with something, Megan. Yeah, I'm really hoping that when I do this, I don't end up doing it in front of a cop or something, because I'm gonna get a crazy ass ticket for this. That's why I've captioned this the most illegal mod. What? What happened? Alright, fucking there. Alright, before I put the bumper, I gotta put the zip tie on it real quick. Let me fix this bumper on this bottom. Alright, hold on. Alright guys, so remember how I told y'all that this is gonna be real illegal if I put the lights on? Some of y'all might not know, but this is what I mean. I don't know if y'all can see it right now, but so they bring them blue, white, and red. So I can make them faster than that to like mimic the police lights. And if I pull up to a meet with those lights and a siren, pretty sure we're gonna have a little couple people run to their car. So but that's a wrap for the video today. It was just a little fun little install. Hopefully I don't get into trouble with it, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.